Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. I'm Bo, and today we're discussing an outdoor furniture comparison many of our customers ask us about. Sling versus cushioned patio furniture. What are the pros, cons, and quirks of each, and how do you know which is right for your patio? Well, let's start by talking Sling. It's lightweight, quick drying, and low maintenance. Perfect for busy families, pool areas, or coastal regions. The taut, breathable fabric keeps you cool on hot days and provides just the right amount of support. Plus, it's a lightweight space saver, ideal for smaller patios, balconies, or spaces that need to be rearranged regularly. And then we have cushioned furniture, the comfort king of the patio world. If you're all about that plush life, cushioned pieces bring that cozy indoor feeling to your outdoor space. They're perfect for long, lazy afternoons with a good book or hosting dinner parties that last well into the evening. But here's the thing, both options have their strengths. Sling furniture is a breeze to clean and maintain, but it might not provide that sink-in softness some people crave. Cushioned furniture offers maximum comfort, but requires a bit more TLC, especially in rainy or humid climates. When it comes to style, both sling and cushioned furniture come in a variety of designs to suit any taste. So, which should you choose? Well, it depends on your lifestyle. If you're all about low maintenance and quick dry features, go with Sling. But if ultimate comfort is your goal, and you don't mind a little extra upkeep, cushioned furniture could be your perfect match. Remember, your patio is your happy place. Visit us at patioproductions.com to find your perfect outdoor furniture match. And check out the description below for a link to our full comprehensive guide on Sling versus cushioned patio furniture. Here's to bringing life outdoors.